All of the different kinds of alcohol we drink are ethanol-based. Ethanol, also known as ethyl alcohol, is a clear, volatile liquid that has a pungent, bitter taste. Ethanol is produced by the yeasts that ferment the sugars in fruits and grains. Tiny yeast organisms eat those sugars, and the ethanol is the waste they leave behind as they break it all down. The ethanol molecule is small and highly water-soluble, and because it's so small, when we drink it, it's very easily absorbed in our gut and distributed in the blood to virtually all the organs and tissues of our body, including the brain. Ethanol doesn't easily dissolve well into oils and fats, although fats and oils can dissolve into it. And as well as being intoxicating, ethanol is also a nutrient. But the bad news is that it's most readily converted to fat. And like most nutrients, it's most easily absorbed into our system via the small intestine. Which means that what you have in your stomach can make a very big difference to how your night could go if you're planning to drink.
When you take your first sip of, say, beer, it, of course, ends up in your stomach. What happens next depends a lot on whether you've eaten or not. If you have eaten, the alcohol is effectively trapped in your stomach while it works to break up the solid food. Alcohol can be absorbed into the bloodstream through your stomach, but this happens relatively slowly, so your blood alcohol concentration, or BAC, also goes up relatively slowly while it's trapped in there. But if you haven't eaten, well, then alcohol passes quickly into the small intestine. And here it's absorbed into your bloodstream a lot faster, mainly because the small intestine has a much larger surface area.